Unit 2, preparing an installation. Unit 2 is preparing an installation. In that Unit 2, topic 1 is Software Provisioning Manager, SWPM. So now we are knowing about SWPM. In shortcut, we called as SWPM. SWPM here, Software Provisioning Manager. That is the full form of SWPM. So first of all, here we want to know SWPM is a tool. First of all, what you want to know means what is SWPM? It is a tool. Tool means in our language it is called as software. Means SWPM is one of the software. And one more point, two types of SWPM is there. So what is the quick link? https://support.sap.com/sl toolset. It is the quick link to download the latest SWPM. So it is the link to download the latest SWPM tool. Whenever you want to download latest SWPM tool only. SWPM 2 versions is there. SWPM 2 versions is there. Okay, we use this link. Here, scroll down and click this download software provisioning manager. Enter SUser ID, scroll down, click continue, enter password, scroll down, click continue. Without SUser ID, without password, it is not possible to download the SWPM. Compulsory, you require SUser ID and password to download the SWPM. So how many types of versions is there? Two versions is there, 1.0, 2.0. So there are two versions is there. SWPM 1.0 is there. SWPM 2.0 is there. Two versions is there. SWPM 1.0, SWPM 2.0. Now, first of all, we want to know about SWPM 1.0. We want to know about SWPM 1.0. So in interview, one important question is there. They ask you what the difference between SWPM 1.0 and 2.0. That we learn clearly here. Okay, here I click SWPM 1.0. I click SWPM 1.0. Here, every operating system separate file. Windows operating system file is different. Linux operating system file is different. Both are not same. So here in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, two files is there. swpm.sar, 70 swpm.sar. Two files is there. swpm.sar, 70 swpm.sar. Two files is there. In Software Provisioning Manager 1.0, two files is there. swpm.sar is there, 70 swpm.sar is there, two files is there. Okay. Now we want to know when we use this 70 swpm.sar, when we use this swpm.sar, we want to know that one. Why we use, when we use. That two information we want to know. Why we use SWPM tool, that is one of the question. When we use 70 swpm.sar, that is one question. When we use swpm.sar in 1.0. Okay, now we want to know, I show clearly. Here it is. Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 SP55 patch level. Okay, it is not 70 swpm.sar. Now we are knowing about swpm.sar. In swpm.sar, you want to install SAP S/4HANA Java 1809, 1809 onwards. We want to install SAP S/4HANA Java. Now here, SWPM dots are, we are knowing that one. When we use this SWPM, SAP S/4HANA Java, SAP S/4HANA Java, (1809), (1909), 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. You want to install, not only install, you want to install, for what purpose we use means installation, system copy, dual stack split, system rename, for uninstallation also. So when we use this SWPM, okay, when we use this SWPM means you want to install any SAP software by using SWPM tool only. You want to uninstall any SAP software by using SWPM tool only. We want to do system copy by using SWPM tool only. So dual stack split also. Dual stack split also we want to do by using SWPM tool only. We want to do system rename by using SWPM tool only. Installation, system copy, dual stack split, system rename. So we want to do this 4 by using SWPM tool only. So you want to install any SAP software compulsory by using SWPM tool only. We want to uninstall any SAP software by using SWPM tool only. We want to do system copy by using SWPM tool only. We want to do dual stack split by using SWPM tool only. We want to do system rename by using SWPM tool only. Now we see. So I want to install or uninstall a system rename. Here I want to install or uninstall our system copy. Leave this one. It is only there. Okay. We want to install or uninstall our system copy or system rename of SAP S/4HANA Java. This version or in this version, okay. Now here, SAP S/4HANA Java 1809 version to 2025, I want to install or uninstall our system copy or system rename by using SWPM.SAR in Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 SWPM.SAR file. In Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 SWPM.SAR file. Okay, now we got it. Now here, SAP S/4HANA 1709. SAP S/4HANA 1709. Here, I want to install SAP S/4HANA 1709. SAP S/4HANA 1709 means it is SAP S/4HANA server system, ABAP system. I want to install or uninstall our system copy or system rename by using SWPM.SAR. And SAP NetWeaver next. SAP NetWeaver is for ABAP 7.52 and 7.51. We want to install or uninstall our system copy or system rename of SAP NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52 or 7.51 by using this SWPM.SAR file only. And we want to install SAP NetWeaver 7.5 also and Solution Manager 7.2 also. Now, already you know in SAP NetWeaver, only one version is there. In SAP NetWeaver, only one version is nowadays is available. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. So SAP NetWeaver 7.5 or some 7.4 or 7.31, but only one version is there, 7.5 only. Okay, we want to install SAP NetWeaver 7.5 by using swpm.sar file only. And we want to use SAP Business Suite 7i 2016. In SAP Business Suite 7i 2016, what is there? SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 8, SAP SCM 7.0, EHP 4, SAP SRM 7.0, EHP 4, SAP CRM 7.0, EHP 4. So that means you want to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 8 or SAP SCM, SRM, CRM 7.0 EHP 4 means we want to use SWPM 1.0 SAP Business Suite. So not only that one, not only SAP Business Suite 7i 2016, 7i 2013 also, that one only. So that means SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7 and SAP SCM 7.0 EHP 3, SAP SRM 7.0 EHP 3, SAP CRM 7.0 EHP 3. That one also. And SAP Solution Manager 7.2 also. Here you saw dual stack split, system rename, uninstall. So finally, SAP Solution Manager 7.2. Now, SAP Solution Manager 7.2. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 is ABAP and AS Java. That means you want to install SAP Solution Manager 7.2 AS ABAP or AS Java. You want to use SWPM 1.0. SWPM tarts are only. So that means nowadays, you want to install SAP S/4HANA Java 1809 or 1909, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025 by using SWPM tarts are only in SWPM 1.0. You want to install or uninstall or system copy or system rename. You want to install SAP S/4HANA 1709 ABAP system means install or uninstall or system copy or system rename means we want to use SWPM 1.0. So we want to install SAP NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52 or 7.51 or SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Not only install, uninstall, system copy, system rename, and SAP Business Suite 7i 2016, 7i 2013, and Solution Manager 7.2. Here, Solution Manager 7.2 releases 740 release. So Solution Manager 7.2 releases 740 release. So this one, everything is, this one also 740 release. EHP 7 releases, 740 release. And this one is 750 release. And this one is 750 release, NetWeaver 7.5. And here, two releases is there, 751, 752. And this one also 752. And this also. So here what means SWPM 1.0 is 740 and higher releases. 740 up to 752 release. Simply you want to tell in intro, they ask you what the difference between the SWPM 1.0 and SWPM 2.0 means. So here 740 to 752 releases. These are all 740, 752 releases. Here all 740 and 752 releases. Now we go about 70 SWPM tarsal. Now we go about 70 SWPM tarsal. This is 70 SWPM tarsal. Okay, now we see 70 SWPM tarsal. So until now in SWPM 1.0, we saw about only SWPM tarsal. Now we see in SWPM 1.0, we see 70 SWPM tarsal also. Okay, here we see, you know that SAP NetWeaver 1.0 EHP3, EHP2 is not there. EHP1 also is not there. And SAP NetWeaver 1.0 also is not there in company. Nowadays, it is not possible to install this one. Okay, so here 1110 is there. SAP Business Suite 7 2011, 2010 is there. It's not expert. 11, 10. So here, what I'm telling is here 11 already you know, EHP2, EHP6, 11 is EHP2, EHP6. Already you know about when we use SAP Business Suite 7 2010, 2011, everything. So here you want to install SAP ERP versions and SAP CRM versions, lower versions. So 731 like that means you want to use 70 SWPM tarsal. You want to use 70 SWPM tarsal. That means here, simple question, simple answer. Here is there. So here, when we use SWPM 1.0, when we use SWPM 2.0 means, when we use SWPM 1.0 means, when we use SWPM 1.0 means 700 release to 752 release. 700 release to 752 release. Up to there, we use SWPM 1.0. When we use SWPM 1.0 means 700 release to 752 release. SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP NetWeaver 7.52, SAP NetWeaver 7. SAP NetWeaver 7.5, NetWeaver ASAP 7.5, and NetWeaver ASAP 7.52, SAP S4HANA 17.9, SAP S4HANA Java, and SAP Solution Manager 7.2, 740 release. So when we use SWPM dot service, we want to install or uninstall our system copy or system rename of 700 and higher releases, not 700 and up to 752 release. 700 up to 752 release, we use SWPM 1.0. So now we got it about SWPM 1.0. Now we want to see about SWPM 2.0. So clearly we got SWPM 1.0. When we use SWPM 1.0, we got it clearly. Now we want to see about SWPM 2.0. Now we see about SWPM 2.0. So Software Provisioning Manager 1.0 is completed. Now we click Software Provisioning Manager 2.0 and click here Support. Every operating system separate file. This one also. When we click here, Linux operating system file is different. Windows operating system file is different. AX is different. Solidus is different. Every operating system separate file. So whenever we are downloading SWPM, we want to download latest SWPM because there is a correction. So every time in software there is changes. For example, now S4HANA 2025 is there. So in that software, is there any changes? Means they release latest SWPM. So is there any add-ons? Is there any tools add like that? Means all the time they release latest SWPM. There is no period, particular period. For every 3 months, 6 months, like that, we want to release SWPM, like that. There is no period. So in software, there is changes done means on the time they release SWPM. So in SWPM 2.0, only one file, SWPM.sar. There is no 70 SWPM.sar. Now we see this one means SAP S4HANA. In SWPM 2.0, what SAP S4HANA 1809. SAP S4HANA 1809 onwards. SAP S4HANA 1809. SAP S4HANA 1809 onwards 2025 ABAP system. We want to install and everything. Not only SAP S4HANA 1809, so SAP S4HANA Foundation also is there. SAP S4HANA Foundation. SAP S4HANA Foundation. Okay, SAP S4HANA Server 2025 Foundation. And SAP BW HANA. These are the releases of BW HANA also. SAP BW HANA 2.0. SAP BW HANA 2.0. BW HANA 2.0 2021-2023. Okay, here when we use SWPM 2.0, when we want to install SAP S4HANA 1809, 1909, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025, not only install, uninstall, system copy, system rename. When we want to install or uninstall our system copy, system rename of SAP S4HANA Foundation 1809, 1909, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. When we want to install SAP BW HANA 2.0 or BW HANA 2021, SAP BW HANA 2023. So not only install, uninstall, system copy, system rename. And one more important point, these are SAP BW HANA releases. So SAP BW HANA 2.0, SAP BW HANA 2021, SAP BW HANA 2023. So when we use Software Provisioning Manager 2.0, SAP S4HANA 1809 to 2025 ABAP system, SAP S4HANA Foundation 1809 to 2025, and SAP BW HANA. So if we want to install or uninstall our system copy or system rename, on that time we want to use SWPM 2.0. Simply you tell in company, they ask what in interview, they ask what are the difference between SWPM 1.0 2.0 means on that time you tell. When we want to install SAP S4HANA Server 1809, here clearly we put SAP. When we want to install SAP S4HANA Server 1809 to 2025, when we want to install SAP S4HANA Foundation 1809 to 2025, when we want to install SAP BW HANA 2.0, 2021, 2023, on the time we want to use SWPM 2.0. Not only install and not only we install, we do uninstall, system copy and system rename. On the time we use SWPM 2.0. So not this three one, SAP S4HANA, SAP S4HANA Foundation, SAP BW HANA. Not these three softwares. Any other softwares like NetWeaver, ERP, CRM, SCM, SRM, and Solution Manager. On the time we want to use SWPM 1.0. So that's the difference. Here you see means clearly you got it. So when we want to install SAP NetWeaver, when we want to install SAP ERP, CRM, SCM, SRM, when we want to install SAP S4HANA Java, when we want to install SAP S4HANA Server 1709, when we want to install NetWeaver ASAP 7.5 to 7.51. So NetWeaver 1.5, ERP, CRM, SCM, SRM. So this on the time we want to use SWPM 1.0. When we want to install SAP S/4HANA Server 1809 to 2025, when we want to S/4HANA Foundation, SAP BW HANA, on the time we want to use SWPM 2.0. Every operating system separate file is there. When before downloading, you want to check on which operating system you want, you download that file, and it is the SAR file. After downloading this file, you got in SAR file. SAR file means, so here GIF files is there, no, like that, that is the SAR file. Here we want to extract this SAR file by using SAP core. So by using SAP core, we want to extract the SAR files. Now extract SWPM. So I create one folder. Here I create one folder SWPM. When double click here, by using SAP car only, we want to extract SWPM. And click here and type CMD. Enter. Roll down. Here you saw SAP car. SW. First we want to type and type this name SAP car.exe. Here SW. First letter is common, second letter is different. Simply type SA and press tab key on keyboard. And give space minus SVF. And give space. Now we want to type SWPM.sar. Simply type SW and press tab key on keyboard. Here, this is the command. sapcore.exe space minus SVF space SWPM.sar. Here, now I type SVF after I tell this one. Enter. Extraction is running. In backside, files are getting. So here, extraction files are showing. What are the files extracting? One by one, they're showing. In that, files are getting. Okay, extraction is completed. Now type exist to close the command prompt, enter. Now here scroll down means here SAP entity is there to open software provisioning manager. So this is SWPM.sar 1.0 I extract. Now we go to SWPM 2.0. Double click here. Here also by using SAP car only, I want to extract SWPM 2.0. Click here and type CMD, enter. Now here, first we want to type sapcore.exe. SA tab. Use space. Now here I'm entering SF. Before I enter SVF, now I enter SF, use space. Now we want to type SWPM.sar, SW tab. So here you enter SVF or SF, your wish, no problem. Enter. Extraction. So here when we enter SF, they don't show all the extraction files. When we enter SVF, on the time they show all the extraction files. So that's the difference in that command. Extraction is completed. Type exist, enter. Now here SAP entity. So that means by using SAP car, we want to extract the SWPM.sar file. SWPM is the SAR file. We want to extract SWPM.sar file by using SAP car tool. So by using SWPM only, we want to install, uninstall, system rename, dual stack split, system copy of any product version. So this is about topic 1 in unit 1. The topic 1 is completed. In unit 1, sorry, not unit 1, unit 2, preparing an installation. That means before installation, compulsory we require SWPM tool. That's why preparing an installation, we want SWPM. You want to know software provisioning manager, how many versions is there. So in SWPM 1.0, what are the SAR files is there? In SWPM 2.0, what are the SAR files is there? When we use SWPM 1.0, when we use SWPM 2.0, what the difference between the SWPM 1.0 and 2.0? This information you got it clearly. So in unit 2, preparing an installation, in that unit, topic 1, software provisioning manager is completed.